Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones. Are you ready to have some adult fun this summer? Well, we've got the place for you right here in MURRELLS Inlet. Bring your favorite man for his birthday. Player one up.
What's happening, everybody? That's right, a new restaurant arcade bar has opened in MURRELLS Inlet, South Carolina. Player one up. This is the county's first and only arcade bar. This new business is hoping to bring a unique form of entertainment to the residents and visitors that come to the Grand Strand.
You ready? And doors open at 11? Family fun until 9 p.m. Let's go take a look.
Player One Up is located at the Old Millardo's Pizzeria and Sports Pub off Highway 17 Business. This one-of-a-kind restaurant opened last month here on the coast, and it's the franchise's second location. The first is in Rock Hill, South Carolina. The arcade features many old-school classics, such as Donkey Kong and Pac Man, as well as newer titles. And that's combined with pool tables, skee ball, and other crowd favorites. Including plenty of pinball machines to go around. But this is not your run-of-the-mill arcade. Player One also serves food in addition to its bar. And being a full bar and sports bar restaurant, you can order items from freshly made pizzas and burgers to sandwiches and more. We got the cheese sticks, onion rings, and fried pickle combo for an appetizer. And followed that up with a grilled chicken salad, stromboli, and a barbecue sandwich. The owners hope the venue will create some fun memories for those who stop by and visit for fun, food, and drinks. So for those who didn't have someone to couple skate with, you'll remember the good ones like Donkey Kong, Super Mario Brothers, and Dig Dug. Almost every game in here has some nostalgic feeling as you try to decide which one to play first. But for the later kids, you'll find games like Transformers, Terminator, and Mock Storm, as well as 3 and 4D games. And if you need to get your pinball fix, they have over 20 pinball machines waiting for you to beat that high score. There are also plans for future pinball competitions that could attract more retro gamers to the Grand Strand. And sometime this summer, they'll open the rooftop deck so you can overlook Highway 17 while eating some delicious food. They are open for lunch Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and open late 7 days a week. And although this is a family-friendly establishment, they require you to be over 21 years old after 9 p.m. So if you can remember the patterns to the Pac Man game, or your carpal tunnel has eased up enough to show off your skills at the foosball table, then come on down to Player One Up in MURRELLS Inlet so you can keep beaching. How's that something about spinning? Is it good? Can we? Yay!
Damn.
All right.